Hi, my class. My name's Ling. Welcome to my presentation. In class 7, you have learned about blank shapes. Blank shapes have two measurements like length and breadth, and therefore they are called two-dimensional shapes. Example: circle, triangle, square are two-dimensional shapes. Circle, triangle, square. Surely we all have gone to the movie once with our family or friends. Do you like 2D or 3D film? 3D, 2D. I like watching 3D movies because the images are vivid and realistic. Why? Do you know what is the difference 2D shape and 3D shapes? 2D shapes and 3D shapes. To answer the question, let's go to this lesson. Visualizing solid shapes. Today's lesson consists of 4 parts. Part 1, three-dimensional. Introduce 3D shapes and example. Part 2, view 3D shapes and Euler's formula. Next, Part 3, next up 3D shapes and application in our life. And the last, Part 4, practice. The first, we will to learn Part 1. Part 1, introduce three-dimensional shapes. 2D shapes or 3D shapes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. How many Z shapes are 2D? Yes, 1, 2, and 3. This is triangle, rectangle, and square. The rest of the shapes are 3D shape. It has pyramid, cube, cuboid, cone, and cylinder. So what is a three-dimensional shape? This cube, it has 3 dimensions: length, height, and depth. It is a three-dimensional shape. This length, this height, and this depth. A solid object has 3 measurements, like length, breadth, height, or depth, called a three-dimensional shape. We have note 1. Three-dimensional shapes can also provide names as 3D shapes. And 2. All 3D shapes are solid. Cube. In our life, can you have me 5 things that have a cube shape? Reality. Rubik? Yes. Gift? Yes. The dice and toys. Exactly. A lot of. Cube. Cuboid. Cone. Pyramid. Sphere. And cylinder. All have 3D shapes. 3D shape in real life. Can you have me 5 things that have a cone? Yes, has a birthday. Ice cream? Yes, exactly. Speaker? Right. What about cube boy? Refrigerator? Exactly. And cocky balls? One, two, three, four, five. Look at the picture. Where is sphere and where is cylinder? Two, three, four are sphere, correct. And one, five are cylinder, correct. What is the difference between a 2D shapes and 3D shapes? 2D and 3D shape. Yes, 2D shapes have two measurements like length and breadth. But 3D shapes have three measurements like length, breadth, height, or depth. 2D shapes no techniques on point line on a plan, but 3D shape can be stuck. 2D shape can draw it easily on a piece of paper, but 3D shape harder to represent than 2D shape. This is difference between a 2D shape and 3D shapes. Faces, edges, vertices in 3D shapes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 vertices. Vertex is a point where three or more faces meet. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 edge. Edge. A line where two faces meet. Yes. A line where two faces meet. And this face. This face. Face is the flat surface of a 3D shape. So each of these shells has one, two, three cone polyhedron. We can see a cube has 6 faces, 8 vertices, and 12 edges. Classify 3D shapes. 3D shapes classify polyhedrons and non-polyhedrons. A polyhedron is a geometric solid in 3 dimensions with flat face and straight edge. This, 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 and these are polyhedron. Example non-polyhedron: cone. Cone has one circular base, and lateral surface is a center of a circle. Next, cylinder. Cylinder has two circular bases, top and bottom, and rectangular lateral surface. Rectangular. And the last is sphere. Circular cross section on any cut. Is there a relationship between the faces, vertices, and edges of a straight face solid? Is there? Yes. Part 2. View 3D shapes and Euler's formula. 1. Euler's formula. Q, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H has 6 faces. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, H, G, C, B, E, F, D, A, H, E, A, B, and G, F, D, C. S vertices about A, B, C, D, and E, F, C, H. 12 edges. This A, B, B, C, C, D, D, A, E, F, F, G, G, H, H, E, and H, B, E, A, F, D, Z, C. We can see a cube has 6 faces, 8 vertices, and 12 edges. We can 6 plus 8 minus 12 equal 2. Try with cuboid. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 vertices, edges, and faces. Cuboid has 8 vertices, 12 edges, and 6 faces. 6 plus 8 minus 12 equal 2. We can see F plus V minus E of Q and cuboid equal. Try with square pyramid. Square pyramid has 5 faces, 5 vertices, and 8 edges. 5 plus 5 minus 8 equal 2. And the last, cylinder. Cylinder has 2 faces, 0 vertices, and 2 edges. 2 plus 0 minus 2 equal 0. We can see F plus V minus E of square pyramids, cube and cuboid equal 2, but different cylinder F plus V minus E of cylinder equal 0. Why? Because Euler's formula. Euler's formula for any polyhedron F plus V minus E equal 2, where F stands for number of faces, V stands for number of vertices, and E stands for number of edges. This relationship is called Euler's formula. So why F plus V minus E of Q, cuboid, square, pyramid equal 2, but cylinder has F plus V minus E equal 0? Yes, because cuboid, square pyramids are polyhedron, but cylinder is non-polyhedron. So cylinder has F plus V minus E equal 0. View 3D shapes. You have learned that a three-dimensional object can look differently from different positions, so they can be drawn from different perspectives. For example, a given hood can have the following views. This is a house. This is front view and side view. The last, top view. We can see front view of house. This side view of house. Side view of house have three regular. Uh, Side view has window. Yes, window. And top view. Top view have two rectangular. Two rectangular. View 3D shapes. We can try solid made of three cube. Cube. Three cubes. This three cube. Side view. We can see side view of three cube have two square. Yes. Front view of three cube has, yes, one, two, three square. And top view, two square. Correct. Try with solid made of four cube. Side view of four cube. Yes, correct. Two square. One, two. Front view, three square. One, two, and three. The last top view, four square. One, two, three, and four. Part 3. Next of 3D shapes and application in our life. Next of 3D shapes. Have you ever cut open a box? When you do, you end up with the net of the box. This is cube by open and is a 2D plan of the six faces that join together to form a box. We have two rectangular is two face of cuboid. Two face is top face and bottom face. And this 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 and this are four face. This four face and side face. Cube. We can see this the nest of cube. A cube has six square faces, so the nest of cube has six square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 square. There are quite a lot of different nests that make a cube. Here are three of them. This is cube. Cast 1. Cast 2 of net of cube. And the last cast 3. Yes. From 3D finger to 2D finger to 1D finger and 0D finger. Math is magic. Application of nets of 3D in floating dodecahedron cylinder. Step 1. Require tools and download template. To make the cylinder, you will need a scissor, X-Acto knife, or similar, together and a toothpick. This is template to fold dodecahedron cylinder. Step 2. Cutting slots and tops and unfolding the tops. Step 3. Partially complete view. This is a part dodecahedron cylinder. Yes. And the last step 4. Unfolding final stop. This dodecahedron cylinder. Part 4. Practice. Exercise 1. For each of the given solid, the three views are given. Identify for each solid the corresponding top, front, and side view. This is a matchbox. We have side view, front view, and top view. A car. We can see side view, front view, and top view from top to bottom. Exercise 2. Using Euler's formula find the unknown. Second, apply Euler's formula. We have F equal 8, V equal 6, and E equal 30. Face plus vertex minus S equal 2. Apply Euler formula. Exercise 3. Can a polyhedron have 10 faces, 12 edges, and 15 vertices? We have F plus V minus E equal 10 plus 20 minus 15 equal 15. But in a polyhedron, F plus V minus E equal 2. Euler's formula. So, can exist a polyhedron have 10 faces, 12 edges, and 15 vertices? What have we discussed? 1. Recognizing 2D and 3D objects. 2. Recognizing three-film shapes and in next object. 3. 3D objects have different views from different positions. 4. Euler's formula. 5. Next of 3D and application in our life. Homework. Memorize today's lesson and apply to do homework. Thank you for your listening.